everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and real.
Yes, hello everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am Ethan.
And I'm Chloe. How are you today, Ethan?
I am doing very well, Chloe. I am happy, I am excited, and I am ready for our big talk today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I have my cup of tea, my notebook, and I'm ready to speak English with you.
Perfect. Today we have a big topic. A strong, important, and motivating topic.
Oh, I like big and strong topics. What is it about?
The topic today is don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Ooh, that is powerful, Ethan. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Wow, I like that sentence already.
Yes, it's very powerful and full of meaning. It's about continuing, not giving up, even when things feel difficult.
That's a wonderful idea. I think this is not only about English, it's about everything in life. Work, exercise, cleaning, goals, everything.
Exactly. And before we begin, we want to say thank you to all our listeners.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us here on Miss English Podcast.
If you enjoy our lessons, please take one little second and click like.
And please, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, it helps our podcast grow and reach more English learners around the world.
And share. Share this episode with your friends, your family, your classmates, everyone who wants to learn English in a fun, friendly way.
Yes! Thank you, thank you, thank you!
Okay, Chloe, let's begin. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
All right, first let's talk about the word tired. What does tired mean?
Tired means your eyes feel heavy, your body wants to rest. You want your bed or maybe your favorite sofa.
Yes, exactly. When I am tired, I want my pillow, my blanket, maybe a big cup of tea, and I just want to rest.
And now, what about done?
Ah, done means finished. Complete. The work is finished, the job is over, nothing is left to do.
Yes. For example, my homework is done. The project is done. Dinner is done. It means everything is finished.
So, the idea is don't stop when you feel tired. Stop when the work is actually finished.
Yes, that's the message. But it's not easy. It's simple to say, but hard to do.
That's true. Let's think about learning English. Many of our listeners are English learners.
Yes, and learning English is a big journey. It takes time. It's not one day or one week. It's many days of reading, listening, writing, and practicing.
Right. And sometimes our brain gets tired. I read 1 page in English, okay? 2 pages, still okay, but after 3 pages, my brain says, stop, Chloe, enough.
Yes, and then you want to close the book and watch TV, right?
Exactly. TV is easy. English is work. But is the lesson finished? No.
Yes. You are tired, but the lesson is not done. That's the moment where you make a choice to stop or to keep going.
That moment is the most important. But how can we keep going when we are so tired, Ethan?
Good question. Maybe your goal is too big. For example, if your goal is read the whole book, that's too much. You will get tired before you finish.
Yes, that's a big goal. Maybe I can make a smaller goal, like read for 10 minutes or read 2 pages.
Perfect. A small goal feels easier. You can say, I'm tired, but I can read for 10 minutes.
Yes, and after 10 minutes, I finish my goal. Ding! I'm done!
Exactly. You are tired, but you are also proud. You can say, I did it.
That's a wonderful feeling. Tired but happy.
Yes, tired and happy is a good combination. But if you stop too early, you feel tired and sad.
Tired and sad, that's the worst. I don't like that feeling at all.
Me neither. Let's think about another example. Exercise. Do you like exercise, Chloe?
I like to walk. Walking is my favorite exercise.
That's great. Let's say your goal is to walk for 30 minutes.
Okay, I start. I walk for 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, still good. 15 minutes, okay, I'm a little tired now.
And then you see a nice bench in the park.
Oh yes, the bench is calling me. Chloe, come sit here. Rest for a little while.
But your goal is 30 minutes, and you have only walked 15.
Yes, I am tired, but I am not done.
That's the key moment. What do you do now?
I think about how I will feel later. If I stop now, I'll be tired and sad. But if I continue, I'll be tired and proud.
Exactly. So maybe you slow down. Walk slowly, not fast.
Yes, small steps. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and finally, 30 minutes. Done.
Well done, Chloe. You finished your goal.
Yes. Now I can sit on the bench. And now it feels like a reward, not an escape.
Yes, the rest is now a prize. You worked for it. You earned it.
That is such a good feeling. I love it. Okay, let's talk about another situation. Cleaning the kitchen.
Oh no, cleaning.
Yes, after dinner, I am full and happy. But the kitchen is full of plates, cups, and pots. I look at it and think, maybe tomorrow.
Ah, the dangerous word, tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow sounds nice, but it's a trap. Because in the morning, when I wake up, the kitchen is still dirty.
Exactly. Then you start your day feeling sad and frustrated.
So now, when I finish dinner, even if I'm tired, I say, no, Chloe. Not tomorrow. Now.
Yes, you clean the dishes, you wash the pots, you wipe the table. Maybe it takes 20 minutes, but when you finish, wow.
Yes, the kitchen is clean. I am tired, but I am proud.
Proud. That's a great word. It means you feel happy about your work.
Yes, I am proud and free. Now I can rest and enjoy my sofa.
See, when you work first and rest later, you feel joy. When you rest first and delay the work, you feel stress.
Yes, the easy choice now brings sadness later. But the hard choice now brings happiness later.
Exactly. Work now, happy later. That's the secret.
So, Ethan, tell us, what are the secrets to stop when we are done, not when we are tired?
Okay, secret number 1. Remember your goal. Why did you start?
Ah, yes. Your example, I study English because I want to travel and meet new people.
Exactly. So when you feel tired, don't think about your bed. Think about your dream.
I like that. Focus on your dream, not your tiredness.
Secret number 2. Make small steps. Don't say, I will study for 3 hours. Say, I will study for 10 minutes.
Yes, small steps are easier to finish, and when you finish one, you feel good.
And sometimes, after one small goal, you have energy for another small goal.
Yes, it's like a snowball, it gets bigger and bigger.
Exactly. And secret number 3, the prize.
The prize, I love that one.
After the work, give yourself something nice. A cup of coffee, a song, a short walk, a call to a friend.
Yes, after I finish my lesson, I drink my tea and listen to my favorite song. That's my prize.
Perfect. The prize helps your brain connect work with happiness.
So, 1, remember your goal. 2, take small steps. 3, give yourself a prize.
Yes, that's how you stop when you're done, not when you're tired.
I feel so motivated right now.
You should. You are strong, Chloe. And everyone listening, you are strong too.
Yes, you are. Learning English is not easy, but every small step brings progress.
Yes, progress means moving forward, getting better, growing stronger.
So, when you feel tired, remember why you started. Remember your dream.
Yes, and make one small step today. Learn 3 new words or listen to one short English story.
Then, give yourself a little prize. You earned it.
Keep going. Don't stop. You can do it.
We believe in you.
Yes, we really do.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us here on Miss English Podcast.
Yes, thank you for listening. If you liked today's topic, please click like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And we have a question for you.
Yes. In the comments, tell us, what is one small goal you will finish this week?
Will you finish one English lesson? Will you clean one room? Will you walk for 20 minutes?
We want to know. Write it in the comments. We love reading what you write.
Keep going, everyone. You are doing a wonderful job.
Yes, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep going.